Hey there, Picture Perfect fans and followers. This is Caety. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's coming up in the next few weeks as we finish out 2018. Do me a favor, before we get into anything, go ahead, pause this video, go below and like and subscribe to our channel. We're getting really close to 100 subscribers, which is awesome since we've only been doing these videos for a few months, and we really want to make sure that you're staying up to date on the great content that we have coming your way. Be sure to go ahead and do that now. Pause now, I'll wait, and then come back and we'll talk about what we're doing for December 2018. All right, so we're back. December is something that we have been waiting for this year more than any other because it means that we're almost done. 2018, like we talk about in pretty much every other video at this point, has been a ridiculous year in terms of the weather. We've had every extreme that you can imagine, and even right now we're experiencing abnormally low temperatures and they're calling for snow this weekend. Fingers crossed for wintry mix. It's too early for snow. It's not Christmas yet, but we'll just hang in there and kind of roll with the punches like we've been trying to do. In terms of our fertilizer program, this is when we're doing the last application of the year, which we call our winterizer round. This is kind of a weird way of saying that it's the winter application, but the whole purpose of it is that it's helping your grass focus on inward development instead of outward growth. So things like root development and internal cell strengthening is going to be the focus of the nutrition that we're giving your yard for this round and this application. For the most part, a lot of yards are starting to exhibit winter dormancy. This isn't a bad thing like summer dormancy is, where it's so hot that the fescue kind of shuts down. Instead, winter dormancy is when it simply stops growing and focuses on the development that we're going to be helping along with this application of fertilizer. At this point, your grass pretty much should be done growing. You don't need to mow it anymore, anything like that. The biggest thing to be working on right now, obviously, is still going to be leaves. As you can see behind me, this is a good example of an area where the leaves are too thick and would need to be removed from a lawn. Now, luckily, this is a part of our yard that we are not fertilizing or planting grass seed on right now. We're actually probably going to use this as a test lot for warm season turf, which we're really excited to be talking to you about more next year. But if you see the leaves getting so thick that you can barely see any grass beneath them, go ahead and get them off. For our maintenance clients, obviously the mowing has pretty much stopped, but we are focusing right now on finishing up leaf services until the leaves stop falling at the end of the year. If you're on a 360 program or you're one of our customized clients who gets a fall mulch service, you can be expecting that in the next few weeks if you haven't received it yet already. Outside of that, our crews pretty much are winding down. Next month in January is when we're going to be talking to a lot of people about contract renewals, making sure that you're good to go for 2019 and if there's anything that you want to change, as well as starting to look towards soil samples and everything else. If you have any questions about what we're up to, about what your lawn is looking like this time of year, any concerns, be sure to let us know. Check out our other videos like this one up here about what you should be watching for in terms of frost on your lawn and how to treat your lawn right when it's cold outside. Again, this has been Caety with Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. We're looking forward to a new year. We wish all of your family a happy holiday, and I hope that you have a picture perfect day.